Hi guys, so today is Valentine o'clock, and yeah, we sat down waiting for the bus that will carry us, and I was playing love song to lighten the mood. You understand? Yeah, you can hear that song. So that's all those people we are going together, all of them there, and this is when they were being dramatic, trying to do proposal with the cover of the bottle. So it was just like that. And this is us in the bus, in the car going. And we are
They
there
go
at the
beach.
river because we have to cross the river
Me
before we
say I
get
dey
to
scared.
the Atlantic Ocean.
It's going. Tàbí tó pèsè jọ ni o.
Bukan tahu tidak mak. Tahu tidak.
Emang ya, bo berapa sejak?
Oh, berapa?
Bo berapa? Ini bagi ini kayak ini, ebero.
Brema.
Ibrahim itu.
Brema.
Oh, betul.
Tenok buyan, Ibrahim.
Ike sound itu.
Ini lau, lu pas sejak ini.
Pasanya berapa? Oh, berapa? Ini berapa? Oh, berapa? Baga mau dia awal jatuh mah.
They are going.
5, 6, 7.
So after they are going to left, so this is
We are
us
going in
trying
the
to
name of the
move
Lord.
again.
Jesus,
And it was, I was scared. I was scared at first, and all of the things I did there was my first time experience. So I was scared. But I still try as much as possible to do a video, because what's the essence of going out without doing a video? Yes, the memories. I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, because this outing was actually powered by the church we attend, as Living Faith Church. Yeah, so that's the pastor, the wife, and the child. So it was an awesome experience. I was telling this young lady here, Hallelujah, that she should do a video. She said she cannot, she's scared. But later, she was encouraging the Lord to do the video. So she did some videos. So I've always seen this only in videos, like in movies. And now I am experiencing this. You feel good. Well, the water is plenty. I won't lie to you. There's one that is even one went to like T junction like that. There was one like that part of the water that was like that. So yeah, I'm already having confidence each day. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself, but you can see even our boat was very fast, like very faster than the other ones that have gone ahead of us. And it feels good. And around that area there is oil company, and this land, there's so much oil. And even where we were staying, like our water that we used to bathe, you see oil on top of it. I will do a video about it one day before this rain start falling every day, so we'll be using rain water instead of that water now. So yeah, we've gotten to the other side. You can see that we are seeing land already. Yeah. So we want this. So we've gotten down from the boat, and
We are now on the
there's our
land.
assistant pastor there. And yeah, we are going. You can see the land. The land is very sticky. When you put your leg inside that land like this, to be bringing sand to your leg and all of that. So we are going, and our assistant pastor was explaining that Adimi will come when the weather was very good, like early in the morning. We will see Equatorial Guinea and
See the sand.
what's the second? Okay, Cameroon. So that's said we are going to see it if we come earlier than this.
Hey.
You can see the water already. See the water. Yeah.
They cannot cross this place.
They put enter.
If they want to go fishing now.
Jesus, I beg.
So, see my first expression there, it was very funny. I was in Bob Miss God a beg, and I was doing like a village girl.
Happy birthday! Oh my God!
So my
Oh
second
my
village people
God!
are there.
Can you hear
Like
the
most of us,
sound?
this is our first
Oh
experience, like
my God!
coming
Let's
to
do
the water side and all of
How are
that.
you,
And
baby?
you heard
Movement.
to know about our water
Can you hear the
is kind of somehow
sound?
we don't go to the water anyhow and all of that.
Oh my
But we thank
God!
God we record no loss.
Feel the
And we
water!
bless God. Can you
Feel
see?
the
And
water!
my village girl
Feel
like
the
shouting up and
water!
down. Oh
Feel
my
the
God.
water, baby! We are here! Jericho! Jericho! Oh my God! Yeah, oh yeah, don't fall, oh, don't fall, I beg of you, please don't fall. Oh yeah, Baka. Yeah. Go. Yeah. Again and again and again and again and again and again and again. I don't run come out for now. I don't run. No wet me.
So I've made up my mind that the water will not pass my meal. So if it is more than my meal, I will not. I'll come out. I will not go to that extent that to pass my meal. So
Malo,
I'm
malo.
trying. Can you see
They go.
this girl? She's the
They
tallest
go.
amidst
Ma
all.
for ma
But
lo. They
yet
go. Ah,
she's the one that is scared the most.
keep going,
She's very
baby.
scared of water. Eh?
Yeah.
She's very, very scared. And it was fun actually. I told her and we are still going on. She ran back and long run. She was scared that the water that was coming. I said, let's go now. Hear the information that I did not pay for. I don't know how to dance. I don't know how to dance. Like I can only move my body, but I don't know how to dance. You can say, Jesus. So we enjoyed ourselves. We enjoyed every bit of it, and you can see here. You can see those people that are on singlet. They actually swim inside that water. Like God forbid, I cannot. I
Hello,
cannot. I don't even
ladies.
know how to swim. I
Where
have
is your car going?
swimming suits for like 4 years now, and I've not swim for once. And all of that, and it was fine. It was a cool experience, and
Come
something
back
happened
here.
when we were about going home. So our boat, in the midst of the water, it stopped. I don't know what really happened, and we were just trying to calm down. That's when this song dropped into my heart. You can hear it.
Nítorí Jésù lọ́gá ọkọ̀, bó ti wù kí jìnnà létò, yóò mú ọkọ̀ wá gúnlẹ̀. Ẹ má ṣe bẹ̀rù, ẹ kún jìnnà létò. Yóò mú ọkọ wá.
If you enjoyed the video, do want to give this video a thumbs up, and you enjoyed the song I gave you at the last minute. Yeah, so this is all of us that went, though we had an after party at our lodge, and it was dark though, but I will try. If I can upload it, I will. Please do well to like this video, do well to share to your friend, do well to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, please. Thank you so much. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.